Mother is sitting on a chair, drinking tea. Sarah is washing dishes.
Sarah, you have been here with me all your life.
Yes, Mum. I stayed to take care of you.
All your brothers and sisters went away.
They found jobs. They made families. But I could not leave you alone.
48 years, Sarah. 48 years you have cooked, cleaned, and helped me.
And I will keep helping you, Mum. You are my mother.
Sometimes I feel sad they left.
I feel sad too, but I am happy I stayed. We are not alone.
You gave up many things for me.
I gave up nothing, Mum. I love you.
You are my blessing, Sarah.
And you are everything to me, Mum.
One day, when I am gone, I hope you will find your own happiness.
My happiness is here, with you.
Sarah, I need to do some shopping tonight.
Then let's go together, Mum. We can carry the bags and talk on the way.
You have been. All your life. I stayed to take care of you. Went away. They found jobs. I could not leave you alone. Made families. You have cooked. And I will keep helping you. I feel sad. They left. I feel sad too. We are not alone. You are my mother. You are my blessing. You gave up many things for me. You are everything to me. One day, when I am gone, I hope you will find your own happiness. Talk on the way. My happiness. With you. I need to do some shopping. Then let's go together. We can carry the bags